Top 4 softwares, apps or tools that always help me to make my design. These are the softwares or tools or apps that always guide me to convert my ideas into design. And in this video I'm going to talk about and I'm going to explain in detail but in short. And these are the softwares that's going to help you and definitely going to help you to convert your ideas into design. Please watch the video till the end, and I believe you will definitely love that and you will definitely get some information from this video. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about top 4 software that I use to make my design. Well, number 4 is Adobe InDesign. Well, it is desktop publishing and layout design software, and it is very much used all over the world if you are interested to design your books, ebooks, or presentations, flyers, brochures, posters. Everything related to these things are very much used by Adobe InDesign, and it has so many features that will definitely help you and make your design great, and it will definitely going to help you and make your design easy, and the process will be very much easy for you to design these because they combine all together what you need exactly to design flyers, brochures, magazines, especially the layout or desktop publishings. And you can also see the newspapers designs by InDesign, where it is very much used for books, presentations, or mostly newspapers and desktop publishings, and these are the things used. So in this list, number 4 is InDesign. Number 3 is Adobe Illustrator. Well, it is one of the most used and most useful tool for a graphic designer. If you're a graphic designer and if you want to learn about graphic designs mostly, and you will definitely need to use more and more Adobe Illustrator, because it is one of the tools that is my go-to tool, and I really use for different types of works or projects. Well, there are a bunch of projects you can do on Illustrator. Illustrator is a vector graphic software. If you want to do logos, if you want to do illustrations, if you want to do flyers, brochures, and you can work on magazines, and if you want to make any vector shapes or character design, most of the cases you will definitely need to use this software, and that is Adobe Illustrator. It is one of the most useful and used software all over the world for vector graphics, illustrations, and so on. So this is one of the most common software that you will need to use as a beginner, and if you want to learn something more about graphic design, and you will definitely see that the tutors or teachers who are recommending you to learn more about Illustrator. Number 2 is Adobe Photoshop. Well, not surprised, because it is one of the most useful and used software all over the world. So if you were thinking about graphic design, and if you were thinking graphic design sectors, you cannot avoid Photoshop. Photoshop is all in one, and that is one of the most useful and very helpful software for you. Photoshop is all about raster graphics. Well, if you want to create banners, if you want to create ads, and mostly if you want to create or photo manipulations, if you want to work on photos, and if you want to bring your ideas into photos, and if you want to make your photo great one, if you want to have basic photo to great photo, and if you want to make ads and everything, and photo retards and background removing, all the stuffs you can do in Photoshop. Well, if you want to make animated banners, you can use Photoshop to make it. Well, it is one of the most useful tools, and you cannot avoid this one if you're thinking about design sectors, and without using Photoshop you cannot think about anything. So it is useful, and you must learn about Photoshop, especially if you want to know more about graphic design, and you will definitely need to start learning about Photoshop. Number 1 is all about Canva. Well, in my list, I put this one as my first choice, and this is Canva is number 1. Well, why I have put this one? Well, you will get everything in one place, and that is Canva. For example, you want to do social media graphics, you want to make logos, you want to make presentations, you want to make book covers, you want to make videos, you want to make animations, and you want to make documents and other stuffs, everything related to graphic design world, and you will definitely be able to make in Canva. And another thing is that it has variety of examples, and you will definitely get inspiration from Canva. Well, if you are not a designer and you don't have any experience in design sectors and you never did any design, and if you have Canva, then you can make a design and get inspirations, and there you will see a bunch of elements, graphics, other things here in Canva, and if you put together, and then you will definitely see a result of design, and you can use for your company or for your business. For example, there are so many people around the world, so many companies, they don't have any designers or any people who can work for them as a designer, and as a startup and a small company, they start using Canva and they get so many inspiration designs elements or templates, and they make some changes to these templates and use their information and convert them design and use this design as your graphics. So this is most used tool in this world right now, and people all around the world who know graphic design, and they need to have some basic knowledge about Canva. So we, at least when a client asks for a design for Canva, they can deliver the work. So I definitely recommend you to learn Canva a little bit, at least at the very beginning, and it's very much easy, not that much hard. And if you use them and if you learn this one, and you will definitely see this is very much easy, and it's really wow. That's all for today, and hopefully you like the video, and if you have any question, please write down in the comment sections, and I will definitely love to help you and give you some answers through the comment sections. And if you like the video, please make sure you hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Hopefully you like the video, and till the next video, bye bye.